Ready to ditch the chaos and build your own project management powerhouse, all without writing a single line of code. First, let's jump into Webflow. Think of this as your digital playground. We're focusing on clean design principles, so start by laying out the basic structure: a header for navigation, a main section for project lists, and sidebars for filtering and details. Next, we are setting up the core of our project management tool, the database. Webflow CMS allows you to define the data structure, create fields for project names, descriptions, due dates, assign team members, and status, all the vital information you need to track. Now, for larger projects, consider connecting to Airtable. It is a no-code database solution that integrates seamlessly with Webflow. Import your existing spreadsheet data, or set up a new base to handle complex project details. Link your Webflow project entries to corresponding records in Airtable for efficient updates. Let's add some magic with interactions. In Webflow's Interactions panel, you can set up animations that trigger when a user clicks on a task, hovers over a project, or changes a status. This will make the tool much more interactive and engaging to use. Include interactive features for task management, like drag and drop functionality to move tasks between stages and status drop-down menus to update progress. Add a simple comment section for each task so that team members can collaborate effectively. And just like that, you've built a custom project management tool in Webflow. Remember to test it thoroughly on different devices to ensure it is responsive and user-friendly. Get ready to get organized and say goodbye to project chaos. Don't forget to subscribe for more no-code Webflow tips.